Today we will learn how to draw a parabola using rectangle method. Now very first we have to create a rectangle. Here we have a command rectangle. Just click on this command. Here it is asking first corner point. So click anywhere for the first corner, and now the mouse is locating its second corner. It is upper rightmost corner that we have to enter using the keyboard. We will enter the second corner at the rate 120, comma 180. So first the x-axis 120 and y-axis 180, and press enter. Now once we get the rectangle, we know we will divide the rectangle in two parts. We will draw one line, we'll make ortho on. So now we have divided it. Now what we have to do, this segment we will divide in 5 equal division. So what is the method to do that? Type command divide and press enter. It will ask you select the object. Now we will create one line here first. Here also we will create a separate line so that we can divide that line segment. Now we'll go to divide command, divide, enter. It is asking select the object to divide, so select this object. Now it is asking number of segment. We will press 5 and press enter. Now it has already divided the segment, but the segments are not visible, so we will go to format, point style, select this point size so that you can observe the 5 divisions. Now again go to divide command, divide, enter, select the object to divide, and then number of segments we will enter 5, so we are getting the divisions. Now we'll go to line command again. We will draw parallel line from this point. Now to highlight this particular segment in OSNAP setting, we should have node on. So please check whether node is on or off. So we'll start from this node and we'll end with the perpendicular. Similarly, we will draw the lines. Again. Okay. Now if you have to give the text, you can give the text also. Here 1 2 3 4 5, like this point is, we have given the location. Now you give the height like 5, enter, angle 0, and then we will enter text 1. Then we'll come here, we'll write 2, this is segment 3, this is 4, we'll remove this letter, 1 2 3 and 4, and double enter. Now here we'll remove it. We'll paste it here 3. Now we know that we have to draw one line from this point to 1, and wherever 1 1 line is intersecting, we have point P1. So we can go to point command and we will locate this point P1. Now again line from this point to 2, and we'll go to point command, we'll locate this as P2. Again we'll go to line command. Now we have P3, then last line, this 2 4, and thus we have point 4, this also. So we have to start the curve. We have to start the curve from this P1 P2 P3 P4. We will go to polyline command to join the curve. Go to polyline, select it, start, click here, then P1 P2 P3 P4 and P5, enter. Now we will select the entire sketch. We will have the construction line in faint color, any color of your choice. Then you select the curve and make this color somewhat different. Now this is a line and not a curve. How to convert it to curve? So simply select this curve by left click, press right click, go to polyline edit, select this option, and here you can read there are so many options. In this we have to use fit option, fit the curve in the point. So press, now you have to type here F and press enter. Now it appears as a curve. You can also do one thing, select the curve, you can change its thickness, make it thicker. Now this thickness is not visible on the screen. Press LWT so the line thickness will be visible. Now here no need to repeat the construction. We will use the mirror command to have the curve from right hand side. So we'll learn the mirror command. Modify, mirror. It is asking select object. So we'll select this object. Then press enter after the selection. Then it is asking specify first point of mirror line. Click here for the first point of mirror line. Then it is asking specify second point of mirror line. So you press here for the second point of mirror line. It is asking delete the source object. No, we don't want to select. No option is in bracket, so it is default. Just press enter and you will get the curve completed. Now how to give the dimension to this curve? Before starting with the dimension, we will do some setting for the dimensions. Go to format, dimension style, go to modify. Here very first we'll go to primary unit tab. We will make the primary unit with 0 decimal places. Go to fit, check whether the scale is 1. Go to text. Now text size 0.1, it is not readable. We will make it 6, 5, 6, 7. You can also change the text color, make it somewhat different color. Then you go to lines and arrow. Lines and arrow size is right now, if you observe, it is 0.8, which is not at all visible. We make it 5. You can also change the arrow color. Whatever color you wish to have, you can change, preferably the light color, and say OK. Before giving the dimension, we'll do this setting. Now how to give the dimension? Go to dimension command. Now we will go to linear option to give the dimension of straight line. Click here. We want to give the height dimension. Left click and drag. Then again dimension, linear, left click and drag. You will get the dimension. And finally you give text to this object using text command. So we will give the name to the object. We will make this font much bigger, and then we will type the text. You can use any color to give the text. And this is the way to draw the parabola. Similarly, you can draw the ellipse using rectangle method. Thank you so much.